Hello there, my name is Kevin Haas. I am a senior in computer science at North Carolina State University. I am in a computer graphics class, and this is my final project. And so this is a 3D version of the 80s classic arcade game Berzerk. It includes a player who navigates a maze, and there are multiple robots that both shoot and can move around. And the player will move around and they can try to shoot the robots and up their score. And if they run into the walls or the robots, then they will die. And if the player runs into the walls, they die as well. And so this is my version. It's implemented in 3.js, which is a API on top of WebGL. Let's see, yeah, so this is the start screen, and there are two options, as you can see here, to play a single player with two people. And so the first player will navigate with the WASD keys and shoot with the spacebar, and the second player will navigate with the arrow keys and shoot with the enter key. Either one is fine. So there are two power-ups on the screen. It'll be the yellow ring, which will slow the robots, and a blue octahedron, which will be double points for the player that picks it up. And then whenever you want to replay, you can just refresh the page and it'll bring you right back here. So let's get started. I'm just going to do single player for now. And as you come on the screen, you can hear that there is some music going. I'm just going to lower that down for us, and you can adjust that here. So this is me, this is the player, and I can move the arrow keys here, hear that laser noise as the robot shoots, and explosions. The robots can shoot and kill each other as well. If they'll only shoot at the player, but if their laser bullets hit each other, then they will die. So the player can only shoot one bullet until it runs into a wall or runs into a robot. And so this big smiley face following me, that's the evil Dr. Otto. He's part of the original game, and he's meant to kind of quicken the pace of the game. And so he typically will be slower until all of the robots are gone, at which point he will actually speed up. And so I'll just show, if I run into the walls here, I'll die, and then I will respawn right at the center of the screen. And Dr. Otto will go away, because otherwise, if he came to the center and you respawn at the center, you would just keep dying. So as you can see, I've got 50 points up there. I'm going to pick up this power up for double points. Yep, there's that 20 points. Alright. And so yeah, you can actually move around the screen by right clicking and holding. You can move it around this way, and then to pan the screen, use the left mouse button. So let's actually see if we can get around avoiding Dr. Otto here and get this pickup. Cool. Now that those robots are a little slower, we can try to get these last two and see Dr. Otto speed up. Okay, he's really sped up now. So this is probably the hardest part, is just within the game, just see how long you can hold out. There's no point difference for how long you can hold out. It's just for fun. And so we'll just go ahead and end the game here. Dr. Otto respawns every time you do. And there we go. That's a game over. So that's a single run through. And then if we want to play again, let's play second player this time. So now you can see that one of us, the first player, is outlined in green, and the second player is outlined in blue. I'm currently playing both at the moment. Each of them now has their own score and their own lives in the top right corner. And they can move around individually, and they both can shoot. And Dr. Otto is actually attracted to the nearest one. Yes, this is very difficult. So, let's see, get this power up. And there you saw that while the second player did get the double points, the first player didn't. But yeah, so this is the demo of my Berzerk3D version. I hope you enjoyed and hope that you get the chance to play it yourself. Have a great day. Bye.